For a family getaway that feels like home, but with all the perks of a holiday, Esra Family Suites in Altinkum is a fantastic choice. Designed with families in mind, this welcoming resort offers the perfect mix of relaxation, entertainment, and convenience. The suites are spacious, comfortable, and well-equipped, giving you plenty of room to unwind after a day of fun. One of the highlights here is the pool area, a favorite for both kids and adults. With a large main pool, a separate children's section, and plenty of sunbeds, the on-site restaurant serves a variety of delicious meals, with options to suit all tastes. Kids will love the entertainment on offer, from fun daytime activities to evening shows that bring the resort to life. And for adults, there's a great mix of lively and relaxed options, ensuring there's always something to enjoy. Located just a short walk from Altinkum's stunning beaches and vibrant town centre. If you're looking for a warm, family-friendly atmosphere with great facilities and a prime location, this is a place worth considering for your next holiday.